Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to create and use layers in Adobe Illustrator. So first off, we want to make sure that we're in the right workspace, so we want to be in Automation. And now this is our base, so our little penguin guy here. And if you go to the right hand side, you will see this box down here called Layers. So as our base, he will be layer 1. Now you scroll down to the bottom right, click on the plus sign, and that will create a second layer. So that's how you create layers, and that's if you want to add or draw or color in the penguin without affecting your layer 1. So any layers below layer 1 will go underneath, and anything above layer 1 will go above as you're drawing, so it will show above all those black lines. So we'll put layer 2 underneath layer 1. We have our blob tool, and then you can choose either these, draw under or draw over, since we will be drawing underneath layer 1. So let's color in the nose. So as you can see, it drew the nose and then it went behind the black lines. So now we can either show or hide layers. And then something you can also do is lock layers. So if we want to lock layer 1, and then we can delete or erase all of the orange that we just drew inside the nose. And as you can see, it took out all the orange, but layer 1 is completely unaffected. Now, another thing that you can do in layer 1 is use these two boxes down here. So to draw above or draw in front, it will still draw behind layer 1, but it will draw in front of anything else on the same layer. So we'll pick another color and we will draw so it will show above the orange. Same as if we go and we do draw behind, it will still draw behind layer 1 since layer 2 is below layer 1, but now it will draw behind the orange. And that is a couple ways that you can use layers. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.